VideoStudio offers an easy solution to allow high-definition or HD video editing on older or slower computers with the Smart Proxy feature. By enabling Smart Proxy, smaller files will be generated in the background, allowing you to edit high-definition content without lagging or slowing down your computer. And best of all, the Proxy video is used only for editing. Once it's exported, the Proxy clip links back to the original HD video, so the final product will be in full HD quality. Let's get started. To enable Smart Proxy, go to the Settings tab. Then select Smart Proxy Manager from the drop-down menu, and select Enable Smart Proxy. If you go back to the Smart Proxy Manager, you can see that Smart Proxy has now been enabled by the checkmark. Now you can choose where you'd like to save your proxy files. Under the Smart Proxy Manager drop-down menu, select Settings. The Preferences dialog box will appear. Under the Performance tab, you can view the default proxy folder that VideoStudio has created on your computer and choose to use this. Or click the Browse button on the right to select a folder or dedicated hard drive where you plan to keep your video editing content. Smart Proxy also allows you to customize your proxy files. By default, they are set to MPEG-4 files at 1080 resolution. You might want to change this if you prefer to work with a different file format, such as AVI, or want to change the default aspect ratio to accommodate your video dimensions. To make these changes, deselect the Auto-Generate Proxy Template icon and select Template. From here, you can choose a different format. Now press OK to save your new settings. Whenever Smart Proxy is enabled, proxy files are automatically created for any new projects when you move videos from the library to the timeline. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to drag my video clip to the timeline. Once I do this, my video file will be automatically converted to a proxy file in the background. After a few seconds, an icon will appear on both the clip on the timeline and in the library to show that a proxy file has been created. Now, an important note. If you created a project without Smart Proxy enabled, you can manually create proxy files within the project. To do this, right-click on your video clip and select Create Smart Proxy File. Then click OK. After the conversion in the background is finished, you'll see the Smart Proxy icon on your clip. If you have multiple files on your timeline that you need to convert manually, you can hold down Shift as you select each clip on the timeline. Then right-click and select Create Smart Proxy File. Alternatively, you can right-click a video in the library and choose Create Smart Proxy File. When manually creating a Smart Proxy file, you can view its progress by clicking the Settings tab. Then, under Smart Proxy Manager, select Smart Proxy Queue Manager. This is especially useful if your video is quite long and you want to see the status of the proxy conversion. Once your proxies have been created, you can now begin editing your video and enjoy a fluid and fast editing experience with Corel's VideoStudio. So remember, once you start to render out the project, the proxy clips link back to the original HD video, so the final product will be in full HD quality. If you found this tutorial on YouTube while searching for training content, you can find many more videos and written tutorials at the Discovery Center at learn.corel.com.